Hi everyone. Again, this is Venus. So for today's vlog, I'm going to show you one of my current DIY projects. It's repainting the snack table. So if you know me personally, you know that I love arts. The other day, my boyfriend's mom told me she would give me a project. So and that project is repainting that snack table, which I'm going to show you later. Yeah. So please keep on watching.
Step 1, I use this 3M sandpaper to remove any rough surface. Step 2, I use this white primer just to provide the neutral color and to reveal the true colors of your paint. For step 3, let it dry. Once dry, you can start painting. Hi, Sammy. Okay, for step 5, allow again to dry and then you can start the step 6, which is applying painter's tape to mask off the areas that should not be painted.
So now it's time for us to paint, and I'm going to use this in rose gold. Okay, it's dry now, so it's time to remove. Let's remove it.
3,000 years later.